Hello friends, today I will show you how to download Microsoft original window from Microsoft site without using media creation tool. For that you need to start Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser. Then search Windows 10 download. Then you can see here download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Click on it. In this page you can see there is no option to download. You need to sign in using Windows Live account or Hotmail, but you can download it without using or login it. So let's start. In the same page, in keyboard press Ctrl Shift plus I. It will open developer option. You can see here right corner, and change user agent to Safari Mac or Safari iPhone, whatever. I will choose Safari Mac. Then refresh the page. Now you can see here the link is now visible. Sorry. Select, then confirm. Choose language. Again confirm. Select version which you want to download. My system is 64-bit, so I will download it. Click on it and save it. I am not going to download it because I already downloaded it. You can see there. This is for the Windows 10. You can also download Windows 11 with the same step. Click search Windows 11, download, and now you can see here the same option, same thing are available for Windows 11. Select, download, choose language, confirm. There is only Windows 60-bit 64-bit version only. Click on it. Same process. Select your download location and then save the file. Your file will download within 10 to 30 or 40 minutes. It depends on your internet connection speed. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and also like my video.